Hi guys, it's Colin. In this video I want to show you how to mix your HCG drops when you get one of our complete kits. I'm updating the video because some of the components have changed since we kind of have our own brand. And so I wanted to do a new video that actually matches what you get in the mail so it makes sense to you. Okay? So in this, now you'll notice I have your HCG kit and I have the HCG separately because your HCG does come to you separately in a separate package directly from the pharmacy. It will not be inside this box. So when you get everything, don't think that something's missing or you got gypped, that ultimately the HCG has to come to you directly from the pharmacy. And you get your box here, which is basically, as you can see, if you get a complete kit, it's our book cover in our special customized box. Now inside this box is some important things I want to go over with you. Number one, you will have a welcome letter. Please read this letter. On this letter, not only does it welcome you to our HCG Body for Life family, but it also shows you where you can find your mixing videos, also shows you the customer service email addresses, tells you to check your spam folder for the tracking number, because we always send out a tracking number within 24 hours to 48 hours of your order being completed in our system. And many of you have the tracking number, don't realize it's probably sitting in your spam folder and you want to know where your packages are. That's where you'll find it. Also shows you, also provides a link to our mixing videos, as I said before, with a special code to get you into the mixing videos. It is a private access area, and it also gives you a link to our HCG Underground Revolution coaching program, online Facebook coaching program group, in case you want to join that group for access for extra coaching. Okay, inside the box that you will get in the complete kit, you'll get my book, How to Feel Good Naked in 26 Days, HCG Body for Life, and my wife Janie's recipe book for phase 2 and phase 3. It is very important that this is not here for decoration. Read this book first. Make sure you go through the book, go through the phases, get an understanding of how the protocol is going to work and why it's going to work for you, what to expect if you're a male or female when it comes to weight loss, and walk through the steps step by step. Follow this book to the letter. Use these recipes. You'll never get bored eating the foods, and you'll find that actually this protocol is very easy and very delicious as well. Very important. And inside the box, you're going to get components to mix your drops. You're going to have a mixing bottle and a dosing bottle. And I don't have all the stuff in here because I didn't need it all for this video. You're going to have your mixing syringes, like so, all separately wrapped. A dosing syringe here. Your B12. You're also going to get, you see we have special branded colloidal silver because you only need a small amount of this for each batch you make. So we give you a couple of these in here, also with a couple of mixing bottles. Okay. So I want to mix the drops in the four easy steps to mix it, so you get an idea that it's not that difficult, but you know how to do it correctly. Okay. So I'm gonna put this stuff aside, and all this stuff is, I'm unlock all this stuff. It's all brand new stuff, so it's going to have plastic wrapping on it. I may need to edit this just to shorten the video a little bit, but so you're gonna take the lid off that and just set it aside. You're going to, this colloidal silver has a sealed cap that covers the rubber stopper in there to keep it sterile. So you want to take that off of there. You want to open your dosing bottle. You want to also take your HCG out of the container. Now inside here there'll be a little ampule of sodium chloride. For the drops, you don't need to worry about this. So just leave it in there and put it aside. You're going to take your HCG and you're going to take your sterile cap off of there as well. You're also going to open your mixing needle, which comes with a nice sized syringe on the end of it, and you're going to take that out. Component again. Probably should have had a napkin here in case I have spillage, but we'll just do our best not to. And I'm also going to take out this 20 milliliter syringe and we get the B12 out. Okay? So the first thing you're going to want to do is to dilute your HCG powder. And the best way to do that is you're going to take your sterile syringe, you're going to insert it into the center of your colloidal silver and draw out 2 milliliters. The colloidal silver has got a little brown tinge to it, so don't get freaked out about that. That's just the way it is. There's some clear ones and there's brown ones, so no problem. So I'm going to take out 2 milliliters, which is the 2 mark on here. And I'm going to insert it in the center of my HCG. Keep my hand steady. And I'm going to slowly let it drip in there along the side of the HCG ampule. Okay, I'm going to let it kind of swirl around a little bit You don't have to take it out, just kind of leave it stick in there. Swirl it around a little bit, okay? And then you're going to turn it upside down after it's all diluted, and you're going to re-extract the HCG solution from the vial. Get it all out, okay? So it's empty. It's empty. And all you're going to do now is insert this into your mixing bottle, and you have 2 milliliters of colloidal silver. Okay? Now, let's see if this works real nice and easy. You're going to add 13 milliliters of liquid B12. Now, I guess I should add a napkin, but put this aside. And this is a 20 milliliter syringe. So hopefully, in theory, this will all work nice and smooth. I'm going to turn this upside down, pushing pressure against it so you don't lose a lot of your B12 spillage off the side. Like I said, I need a napkin. You also can use that big syringe. Oh, I'll edit that. Okay, so let's do a better way to do this. This is 5 milliliters, okay? Sorry guys, I made a mess. I should have known I should have used the needle, but so much for that. I'll edit. Okay, so I'm gonna take the syringe, stick it in here, and this is basically 12 milliliter syringe, and I'm gonna extract B12 into the syringe. It's gonna take pressurized to pull it in there, so just keep pulling slowly with your thumbs or fingers to extract it all the way up. It's already had 5 in there, so I just need really 8. So I need 8. So I'm gonna take an 8 to finish my mixture. I'm gonna fill it up. So we normally have 13 milliliters. You're gonna put 12 in, and then you're gonna go back and get 1 more. Okay, put that in your mixture. Nice and slow. Done. Okay, and that's it. Now it doesn't need to be as messy as that, because now you know to use this syringe. I'm gonna edit that and put it out. So anyway, so all you need to do is add your B12, 13 milliliters of B12, 2 milliliters of colloidal silver, and that's your dosage. I mean, that's your mixture. Just shake it around, and it's fine. Now, the AC drops don't need to be refrigerated. You can actually leave them at room temperature or put them in the refrigerator. I opt to put mine in the refrigerator just to keep it cold. It's nice. Now, this is going to be your dosing syringe. And on here, it has teaspoons and milliliters. Use the milliliter. And you'll see it has a 1, 2, 3, goes up to 6. A half a milliliter is twice. You take a half milliliter twice a day. So you're going to be in between the 1 and the end of this syringe, dosing syringe. You're going to fill up a half milliliter, and that'll be your dose. You put it on your tongue, hold there for a few minutes, 3-4 minutes, and swallow. You're fine. And then you take it twice a day, once in the early morning, first right when you wake up, and then once in the afternoon, either before or after dinner. And that is your dosage. So as you can see, other than my mess, it's very simple to do. Dilute your HCG with the colloidal silver, extract the colloidal silver HCG compound, put it inside your mixing bottle, add 13 milliliters of B12 to your solution, which is a total of 15 milliliters, which means it'll last you 15 days. Every 15 days, depending if you got a 30-day kit or a 50-day kit or a 75-day kit, you're going to make yourself a fresh batch so you know it stays potent and fresh. And that's how you know you're getting real HCG, because you're mixing it yourself with the right compounds. So, once again, the colloidal silver is in here. It's going to be a little brown tinge. You don't be worried about it. Your B12, which is usually red colored, and you have your HCG ampule, which comes separately in a separate package, and you have your mixing syringes and dosing syringes. So I hope that helps you, and I'll clean up this video a little bit so it doesn't look so messy. And if I do it again, I'll do it again. Thanks for being here. I really appreciate you guys, believing in us and believing in yourself and believing in this product. I promise you, if you use this, follow this product to the letter, follow the instructions, and read the book, and call me if you have any problems for coaching, because you get free coaching with complete kits only. You get free coaching. You will not fail, and you will get the body of your life. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.